Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's try the really cool and really creepy looking teacher from Little Nightmares 2. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is a very cool looking character. Definitely very creepy in the game. So to begin, we're going to draw in the forehead section first, and we're just going to draw one kind of like a half circle. Alright, and then from here we're going to come in and draw her eyes. So just come in from the very end right there. Just going to draw like an almond shape. So go up, come back down with another curve. So same thing here, just right on the edge. So her eyes are really creepy looking. It's gonna be a little bit further apart. All right, and then once we have this, just touching the top, just one circle. And I'm gonna draw a little circle on the top here, and this will be my highlight. And let me shade this in real quick. And then it'll look like an eyeball. Okay, and then from here we can draw in some more details around her eye. So right on top of the eye right here, from corner to corner, just draw in another smooth curve. And then one on the bottom as well, because she's got a little bit of bag right underneath her eye. All right, and then one more right here. Just come in, you make two little points, and then I'm gonna draw one smooth curve right over the eye. Just go out all the way to the edge. All right, yeah, so I know it looks really weird. So now we're gonna continue on with the face. Right in the middle right here, just come down. We're gonna draw her nose. Okay, so one little curve first, and then just go up on the ends right there. That's gonna be the wings of her nose. And now we're gonna draw in her cheeks. So we're gonna come down here and we're gonna loop it right about the nose area. So just one curve coming in. Okay, yeah, nice and creepy. And then now let's draw in the rest of the face. So I'm just gonna come down here, all the way down to her chin. So it's a little bit sharper, and then close it off. All right, and then for her lip, it's really creepy as well. So just come down almost to the middle, maybe a little bit higher with this space right here. Just draw a little V shape. That's gonna be the middle of the lip. And then right here, we're gonna come down and we're gonna go all the way up here. So just curve it up. And then for the lower lip, I'm gonna start right here. Just come all the way down. And we're gonna draw one smooth curve to divide up the lip. And that'll give us the shape. Okay, and then let's see, a little bit more detail up here. I'm just gonna draw a little curve for wrinkles. All right, so now let's draw in her hair. Let's see, we'll come up here, right in the middle. Let's draw one line first. So her hair is gonna part out. Just curve out to right around the eye area. I'm gonna curve it out and then just come back in first. So this is gonna be one big strand. And we'll continue with this side. So come down all the way here. Just one big lump, just come in right into the cheek. And now we're gonna draw one more. So coming all the way down here. So another lump. All right, and then now for this side, pretty much the same, but we'll come out and then we're gonna curve, just come down first. And now we're gonna continue this going all the way in here. So that's another big clump. And then right here, we're gonna add some detail. We're gonna separate the strands, just come down and then just curve it in. And we'll add in some more details to the hair later. Let's just add in all the clumps first. So one more down here. Okay, and then now we can add in some of the flow of the hair. So for these big clumps right here, just gonna draw lines going out like this. Same thing here, we're gonna go this way. We can add even more strands right here. And up here, we're gonna go this way. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same, just as long as you have some of these lines. They'll give it some nice flow to the hair. All right, so very creepy looking head. And now let's continue on with the body. So her neck can be really long, or you can make it kind of like a snake. But I'm just gonna draw it slightly a little bit higher. So you can draw in another different shape if you like. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop here. Let's come across. And then now for her collar, I'm gonna extend it slightly, just angle down. Go back to the middle, draw 2 lines coming down, and then just connect this. All right, and then here's your shoulders, right in the corner here, we'll go out. And now for a dress, just come into the waist, close it off. Just one section here, just come in. For the belt buckle, I'm just gonna add 2 lines here. And let's go ahead and finish this part up. So right in the center here, just draw 1 line down. And I'll add in 3 buttons. Okay, and again, we'll add in some more detail to the clothing to make it nice and creepy. All right, so for here, we're gonna come down and draw in the dress first. So we'll continue this, just go out. Let's make it a little bit wider on the bottom. You can make it kind of a little bit flowy on the side if you want to. All right, so once you have this, let's go ahead and come back up here and finish up the arms. Okay, so the armpit's gonna be right around here, right in the middle of this. So now let's come down to about the waist area. That's gonna be the elbow. And now for this part, I'm just gonna puff it out a little bit. So just 1 long bracket, close it off, and let's just add 1 section for the cuff. Okay, so same thing here. Come down. Here's the elbow. Same thing here, just 1 long bracket, close it off, 1 section. And then for a hand, start just 1 little hook for the thumb, back of the hand, and now I'm just gonna draw in the finger, so just curve it, go back up, and just connect to that. So I know this part's kind of small, and then for the other fingers, just 1 little bump. Okay, so come down, 1 hook, just back of the hand, continue down, go back up, connect to that. Same thing there for the other fingers. All right, and then for the dress, let's just go ahead and add in some of these little folds. So this is being tucked in, so we should see some folding. And then on the dress as well. On the bottom, we can add in some of these lines. Okay, so we're pretty much done. The leg is really easy. I'm just gonna come down 1 side, close it off first, and then for the bottom, just flare out and then close it off. So let's draw the same thing on the other side, and then we'll add in the details. So just come down, just close it off. This one is straight down, and flare this out slightly, and then close this off. And then for the details, 2 curves here, and then 1 more on the top here. So this part will be black. Alright, so that is it for this very creepy looking teacher from Little Nightmares 2. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.